Good morning. Scott Love with A to Z Insurance, your trusted choice independent agent. Last time we talked about 3 reasons why we need insurance at all. We saw there were peace of mind, to avoid catastrophic financial loss, and because someone like a bank requires us to get the coverage. One question we get asked by our clients quite a bit is, do I really have to get so many different types of insurance policies? I mean, I have a house, a rental property, and I want flood coverage, and I'd like to get it all on one policy. It's a lot of aggravation. Do I really have to get 3 separate policies and spend all that money and time associated with it? Well, this is an excellent question, and I have to admit, before I became an agent, I didn't know much about insurance. I trusted someone else to give me good insurance advice. But the short and simple answer is yes, you do need 3 separate policies for the situation, as we'll explain. And basically, it's because the coverages must fit the situation. Let's start with probably your most important investment, your primary home, where you live, where you spend most of your time, and you have your content and your clothing and your furniture and your kitchen utensils and your cameras and your TVs and everything of value to you. You want to cover those things with a policy that will adequately protect things of great value to you. So not only does it cover the outside building and structure, it covers those contents and offers many customized coverages that can be added on for that situation as you desire. For example, if you try to cover your home on a dwelling fire policy, which is what is for a rental property, you would not have some very important coverages to make the case. You wouldn't have the contents coverage. You would not have theft coverage. You would not have the ability to add water backup, water and sewer backup, refrigerated personal property. You would not have the ability to schedule your coins and your jewelry, your antiques, and many other coverages that go along with your primary home would be left out on this policy. And so you cover your primary home on a homeowner's policy. Now, a dwelling fire policy that I mentioned is for your rental property. This is for a situation where you own a building and you have put a tenant in there. They're paying rent to you, rental income. And so this policy is designed to cover the structure, provide a little bit of contents coverage if you have appliances, and it has a coverage called rent loss because if the property is damaged, let's say a windstorm drops a tree on it and it damages the property and the tenant moves out because they can't live there. Their bedroom or their kitchen's destroyed, you're going to lose that rent. Well, that dwelling fire policy has that customized coverage to protect you in that situation. And then finally, we talked about the flood policy. Flood is defined as rising waters as a result of wind-driven rain or a storm surge or the result of much rain. A lot of people found out after Hurricane Katrina in 2005 that they should have gotten a flood policy. They filed claims after a wall of water came crashing into their homes along the Mississippi-Alabama coastline. They filed claims on their homeowners policy and they were denied. A lot of people sued. They took it to the Supreme Court. They were denied by the Supreme Court because the Supreme Court ruled you need to cover the peril of flood on a flood policy. It's not covered on your homeowner's policy. A flood policy provides coverage for building and contents, separate deductibles for each, and FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, sets the rates. Thank you.